Welcome to Sew Very Easy. My name is Laura, and sometimes we need to fix or maintain these. So there are some things that we can buy to help fix them, help keep them in good shape, and maybe help make them a little bit more comfortable. Let's start with one of the common things that happens in our clothing, and it's our shirt strap doesn't stay where it belongs. Well, there is a little thing that we can purchase and fix this little strap so it stays in place. And let me show you how we're going to be able to work that very first thing. You can get them in different colors and different styles. One, you would be able to sew on permanently and don't have to worry about it. The other one, you can pin on, and then you can reuse this as many times as you need. So here's this strap that keeps wanting to fall down, and the restrainers will have the bra strap held into this area. So this particular one has a little safety pin on it and a little snap. So we're going to be able to pin this right inside that garment on the sleeve, and it doesn't always have to go right at the top. You're going to want to try this on and decide where you're going to put that pin so that it fits proper. So we are going to be able to just pin that right into one of the seam allowances. We want to make sure that we don't have it exposed from that front side. And then we're going to be able to unsnap this. So we're going to be able to take the strap of the bra, and as we're wearing it, snap it so it holds into place. And you can also trim off these little ends if they're a little too long. Now, as we're wearing this, this is going to hold close to the body, and this strap will not fall down. The sewing one is the same way. The only difference is, instead of having one that we can reuse, we would just stitch it in permanently. You don't see it, and it keeps the strap in place. Another thing we can get are these little shoulder pads. They're silicone based and they have a little opening in them. And you find those skinny little straps really dig into your shoulder. And you're just going to place that on over your shoulder. So you can do a thin strap, a medium strap, and even a really wide strap. So it's going to prevent that digging and that moving. We can also get these little plastic discs, and it's going to take those bra straps and pull them into the center. So if we have a racer back shirt or something that exposes more of the back, these will work perfect. We're going to be able to just slip them in. They're nice and flat to the back, and now our shoulders are exposed and we still have the comfort of wearing a bra. And we can adjust these however we need to. They can also change the angle of the front bra. So it can take a bra that is not comfortable, one that maybe has too much space here, and with that strap being pulled up, it can change the angle so it can be more comfortable. Adjust that strap so it can accommodate that extra space, but these are very handy and I use them all the time. You can get these hard clips, but you can also get a softer clip. So it's a long piece of elastic and you're going to slip it under. I like to do it inside just so it's flatter. I'm going to do both sides. And you can see now where this is pulled in a little bit tighter, but not as tight as these little ones. There are some bras that we're going to be able to replace the straps. And it needs to be the bra where those straps can come in and out. So if you look at a bra, you'll see that it has this little area on the front and on the back, and that is so that we can replace those or take them off. There's a little clasp that'll just fit right in place. So we can turn the straps into these clear straps. Turn them into a cross back or a straight back. If we've bought a bra and we find that it's too tight, we can extend that band, but what we do want to do is buy the right size and the right color. You can get single ones and you can get them in your 3 basic colors. But for this bra, I would need a double. So I have the 2 that will match the 2. And this little piece has the hooks on one side, the eyes on the other, with a little bit of an extra stretch. So I would be able to take this, hook it onto the back. So now I can adjust it just like I would a regular bra. Hook it on, and it has given me that extra extension to go around. And with that little elastic, it does make it comfortable. You can also get them where you're going to be able to sew them in. So if I've lost some teeth or this is no longer usable, I'm going to be able to take that off, sew that on the one side, place them on the second, and that's going to give this bra some definite wear. Now there is one other thing I'd like to talk about, and that is magnetic closures. There are reasons that we can't close the bras by our own hands. It could be that we have arthritis, or perhaps our hand is just not working, or maybe we even have a cast on one side. So you can get a magnetic closure. They come with a little plastic covering that we're going to be able to take off. You're going to be able to hook those on, and now it's going to stay. So we're going to be able to hook those on, and that magnet is very, very strong, so we're not worried about that coming apart. But it definitely will make it easier to do up and undo. But I would definitely not recommend these if you have a pacemaker. You can get those in different sizes and different colors. So there are lots of things that we can use to take these and make them reworkable, more comfortable, and have the proper fit. The prices are very reasonable for these little pieces that we need to fix the bras, so it's definitely worth it to take a look and see if you can take your favorite bra and change it into many different ways, or just fix it. These are just a few examples that I picked up from Hemline, and there are many different ones out there, different sizes and different colors, and you can find them at your local fabric stores. So those are just some of the things that we can do to get our bras to fit us comfortably, to make them easier to manage, to maintain them, and well, just keep them going a whole lot longer. These things are usually available at your local fabric store, so be sure to go check them out, and then we can keep these in tip-top shape. Thank you for joining me today on Sew Very Easy. Feel free to subscribe. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, and I do have a newsletter. It's all free under Sew Very Easy. Thanks again. Bye for now.